In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if you have ping, internet, or connection problems in War Thunder. Okay, for the first step, we go into the search bar. Here we look for the control panel. So click on this, and then we click on network and internet, and here we click on network and sharing center. Now we see our connection. I'm connected with Ethernet right now, but you also can be connected with your Wi-Fi. So then we click on change adapter settings, and the following steps we do this with our connection. So I do this with Ethernet right now. Click on this, then click right click on it, then click on disable, wait like 2 or 3 minutes to restart your Wi-Fi from your PC, and after that you do this with your Wi-Fi router to restart your whole Wi-Fi. Then you can right click on it again, click on diagnose, and here you can follow the steps from your PC to fix your Wi-Fi. And after that you can right click on your connection again, go on properties, and here we have the Internet Protocol version 4. Properties again, and here we click down there on use the following DNS server addresses, and here we have the preferred DNS server. This is 8888, and the alternative DNS server is 8844. Click on OK, close this, and after that you have to restart your PC that the settings will be saved. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe. It would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.